freaking Tuesday right now. It's Tuesday. All trans family feud. I think I'm gonna sneeze. It's week 67, and this week's topic is having children / starting a family. Do you want kids? What's your family like? Are you gonna get a hysterectomy? God, that's getting so angles. What are you gonna say to the kids? This is like a touchy subject. How are the kids gonna react? Stop. When are you gonna tell them? Whoa. Well, that's like, if you can see where I'm pointing, it's super far away. Over there in the future. I mentioned 2 weeks ago that I know for sure that I want to have kids. And I do, I definitely do. I want to be a dad. Badly. So badly. I don't care if it's a boy or a girl. My girlfriend was a boy. I really wish that it was more accessible to do that thing where they would like take from me and put to my girlfriend and she could have kids that look like me. Does that even happen in real life? You know, I might end up adopting. I'm all for adoption. I'm fully capable of being a fantastic, transastic father. I'm still a kid. Totally still a kid. I haven't even gone through puberty yet. Aww. Right now we have a fish. His name's Perseus. No, I haven't gotten on testosterone, but my voice is so low because I'm so sick. But this is cool, right? It's cool. I know. I can't wait to have kids. My kids are gonna be just fine. And his kids are gonna be fine. For your information. See you next Tuesday. That's not a nice thing to say to somebody. I'd hug you, but I'm sick. You don't want, but I'm good. Or maybe you do. Make your voice lower.